Okay, again, Jolo Angelo. Let's learn jobs people do.
People do.
So what's on the picture? Explain.
Explain. Pigs.
Fix what? Unsa man na?
Karisa
Karisa sa ubos, kanang sa ubos.
Pigs na water na kani pigs kani light. Na unsa ni mo ingon katuniha?
Kani.
Katu pigs. Kani pigs.
Unsa may ilang i-fix?
Building house.
Building house. Very good. So what's this one?
Kani
An engineer.
engineer.
The one who make the buildings. This one. How about this one? What's this one? Architect. Very good. So how about this one? What's this one? The one who fixed the water?
Fix the water.
Plumber.
Plumber.
Very good. How about this one?
Fix the light.
What's that one who fixed the light? Electrician. Very good. Okay, how about this one? What's this one, Jolo Angelo? This one. Sailor. How about this one?
Kanay unsa tuy aw ingon ni ha? Kuan kanay unsa
Think. Thinking.
Yellow ni.
The color is yellow, but what's this one?
Taxi.
The one who drive the taxi.
Kani.
Driver. How about this one? The one driving the airplane.
Pilot.
Very good. Adtor ka. So what's this one?
Soccer ball.
No, it's soccer ball, but this one.
This one,
Bata. So football player. How about this one?
Kuyas.
Athlete. How about this one?
Robot answer.
No, the one doing the computer. Computer. Engineer. This one.
Motions.
Scientist. Very good. How about this one, Jolo Angelo?
Picture the dance.
The one taking video. Ano? So what's this one?
Picture.
No, this one.
Kuya.
Actor. So, how about this one, Jolo Angelo? The one sing. The one who sing is a singer. How about this one? What's this one? Paint. So the one who paint is a painter. How about this one?
Dance sport.
That's not dance sport, but a dancer. How about this one, Jolo Angelo? Lawyer. How about this one? Grandma. So what's the grandma doing? A judge. How about this one?
Teachers.
How about this one?
Teachers.
Teacher also. A principal.
Principal.
How about this one, Jolo Angelo?
And fire truck and police.
No, the one driving the fire truck is a
fireman.
Very good. How about this one?
Which fireman, police, and army.
And this one?
Pilot.
No, that's not a pilot. That's Navy. How about this one? What's this one? Makeup artist. This one, how about this one? No, the one who cut your hair.
Si Eric.
No, the name. The one who cut your hair is
Si Kuya.
No, what's that one? Barber.
Barber.
Very good. How about this one?
Imager.
No, that's not engineer. That's a
Di?
tailor.
Taylor.
Oh. This one. How about this one? What's this one? Julo.
Door.
Doctor. This one.
Artist.
What's this one? Nurse.
Nurse.
This one.
Hotcakes.
Hot cakes. The one he's making is a hot cake maybe. But what's this one? Who's this one?
This one?
Chef.
Chef.
This one.
Architect.
That's not architect. That's baker.
Baker.
Okay, very good.